name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is a chicken mole recipe. Mole is a chocolate and red chili sauce that comes from the region of Puebla, Mexico, that typically would have no less than 27 ingredients and spices. We're going to start by taking our chicken breast and cutting it up into cubes. We're going to add this to our pan with a little oil. Once the chicken is almost done, we're going to add our commercial brand mole sauce to the pan to simmer to incorporate the flavors of the mole into the chicken. Once it's simmered for about 10-15 minutes, we can serve this over Spanish rice. And there you have a chicken mole recipe.